Hey everybody, Ryan Lallier here, CEO and founder of Salesgevity. And today I'm going to share some helpful tips that any SDR, BDR, account executive, regional sales manager, VP, CRO, anyone that is in sales can leverage immediately. And everything I'm about to tell you is free. Everything that I'm going to recommend is free. It costs nothing. Well, maybe 20 bucks tops. So here's what I would do if I was a salesperson either looking for a job or considering going off on my own and just being a contract salesperson, a contract BDR, maybe a fractional VP, a fractional leader, even a fractional sales ops person or rev ops person. Here's what I would do. The first thing I would do is I would go purchase a domain. I would go on Google Domains and I would purchase a domain. And that domain could be first name, last name. It could be whatever you want it to be. As long as it highlights you and your brand and what you're trying to accomplish, you can get creative, but get a domain name. After that, go get a landing page. Go to Canva, build one, and then just host it with Canva, connect your domain. And that landing page should really be all about you as a soloist, as a practitioner, as a sales professional. That's a great place to put your resume, your skills and accomplishments, maybe some videos. You can set up a Calendly link. You can even put a chatbot on there if you want to talk live to people. Start to build these things to highlight you. Focus on you. Start working for you. Once those two things are in place, get an email account. You can do it through Google Domains when you set up your domain or you establish your domain. And you'll have an email address now that you can leverage just for you and you only. But here's where things get really, really powerful. After those steps are done, head over to LinkedIn, create a company page for you. Connect that company page to your website, fill in all the information, the taglines, the hashtags, the bio, the services, the about us, the logos, everything. Make it look awesome. Create a living, breathing billboard for you and you only. Then go create a LinkedIn ads campaign, a free one. Doesn't cost you anything to do it, but what they give you for free is a web analytics embed code that you can put onto your website. So now as you're driving traffic from LinkedIn or other social media sources to your website, you'll then be able to, with ease, see who's coming based on persona. Like who's visiting my website, what sort of job titles are these? And then from there you can market to those titles accordingly, or maybe create content that is designed for your specific buyer persona or who you want to service. Maybe it's a company you want to work for and get a job with, and this is a great way to just go outside the box and do something completely different than all the other candidates that are applying for the same job as you are not doing. Be different, separate yourself. But here's where it really gets even more interesting. Yes, there's more. Once you have your company page set up, you have access now to an inbox that is separate from your LinkedIn profile inbox. It's a company page inbox that can be used for prospecting and receiving messages. Super cool. Another inbox, another channel, another way to communicate with the outside world and to those people that you want to potentially either do business with or work for. After that, and here's the final one, and I hope you do this. Once your company page is established, you will then have the ability to set up subpages. I did this for Salesgevity. If you search for outbound business development or other different keyword searches, there's a very good chance you're going to land on a LinkedIn Salesgevity subpage on LinkedIn. And I use these to highlight specific products and services. I'm thinking about creating another subpage just for events like live webinars or things that I want to host. But you can create as many subpages as you want. And then now you have 5, 6, 7 additional assets that are out there on LinkedIn that are searchable through keyword searches in LinkedIn. If you've been following me for the last 5 years, you know that I always say LinkedIn is a search engine. And once you treat it as such, you will be able to change the game for yourself. So I hope these tips help. I'll do a little mini write-up in the comments, and I might even do a video on my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, please do so. It's Salesgevity. Just click subscribe, and I put these videos out there and the how-to, and I actually show you how to do exactly what I'm explaining to you right now. So if you're a bit confused, that's okay. That's cool. Totally normal. I'll walk you through it, all right? Hang in there. I know A lot of you are out there trying to land a job and you're open to work and you're struggling a little bit. I've been there. I know what it's like. It's really tough. But those that get through it and persevere come out a lot stronger than they were prior. So it's a tough process, but I hope that this helps you shine a big, bright spotlight on you, your brand, and who you are and everything that you accomplish so you can go get that job or start that business that you want to start. Have a great Wednesday, okay? Take care. See ya.